friends, welcome to our class. If you are newly watching, please subscribe our class and click like button, give comment whatever you feel after end of the video. So now intermediate first year maths 1A, second chapter mathematical induction. So this chapter consists only 7 marks questions. Most probably 13 to 18 questions are there, long questions, 7 marks questions in this chapter. And each and every question is the same concept. That means with a single concept we are doing several problems. So if you understand 1, 2, 3, 4 problems, then immediately the remaining problems you will understand very easily. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? మీరు ఈ చాప్టర్లో కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవన్నీ కూడా ఒకటే ఒక మోడల్లో ఉంటాయి. ప్రతిది కూడా 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇందులో వేరే 2 మార్క్స్ 4 మార్క్స్ ఉండవు. ఇందులో క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఇండక్షన్ బేస్ చేసుకుని ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ induction. So what is principal mathematical induction? So generally in this method, first to take the question as given statement. So first we have to take P of n is some question. Just here I am telling what is that concept. Next immediately in step 1, 3 steps are there in this chapter. Step 1, step 2, step 3. First step 1, take n equal to 1. And what is left hand side, what is right hand side. And in step 2 we have to write assume that P of n is true. Assume that P of n is true for n equal to k. This step 2 as it is we have to write. And step 3, k plus 1th write, k plus 1th term find out. After finding k plus 1 term, adding that k plus 1 term to equation 1. Okay, so let us see one question, you will understand. So I am taking one question. So this is called principal mathematical induction actually. First I am taking one question. Use mathematical induction that the statement 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so and so plus n equal to n plus 1 by 2 is true for all n belongs to capital N. So this is the question. First, each and every question, first of all, let P of n is, first let P of n is given question right now. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so and so plus n equal n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, next to step 1. In step 1, take n equal to 1. Take n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means what is left hand side of is equal. Like n equal to 1, what is right side? Right. Okay. What is the left hand side at n equal to 1? What is right hand side at n equal to 1? So at left hand side at 1 no. N equal to 1 means what is first term? What is first term? 1. So 1 right now. And in RHS means right hand side of equal to. What is RHS actually? N into n plus 1 by 2. In this, take n equal to 1. So it becomes 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1, what is 1 plus 1? 2 by 2. 2 to cancel. How much we are getting? Same. LHS same, RHS same. Both same. So those should be equal. So therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. That means what we can write? Therefore, P of 1 is true for n equal to 1. Okay. First, take the statement, given statement as easily as P of n. Immediately take n equal to 1 in the step 1. So in step 1, if you take n equal to 1, what is the left hand side? 1. What is right hand side? N into n plus 1 by 2. By simplifying, taking n equal to 1, we got 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. That means P of n is true. P of n value is true. ఎప్పుడు for n equal to 1. n equal to 1 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు P of n అనేది true అయిపోయింది. ఆ తర్వాత స్టెప్ 2. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ 2. ఇన్ స్టెప్ 2 మనం ఏం రాయాలి? we should write assume that P of n is true for n equal to k and రాయాలి. So n equal to k means what? In place of n we have to write k. First 1 is there, 1 write down. Next 2, next 3, so and so plus n means k is equal, n means k into k plus 1 by 2. That's it. This is taken as equation 1. Okay. Step 2 completed. So finally step 3 is there. In step 3, first we should find k plus 1th term. K plus 1th term. Finding k plus 1 term, 1 mark will be awarded. Okay, k plus 1 term find out చేసినందుకు 1 mark ఇస్తారు. ఎలా find out చేయాలి? How to find? See, this first term, second term, third term, so and so kth term. So after this k, we get k plus 1th term. What is after k? K తర్వాత వచ్చే టర్మ్ ఏంటి? k plus 1. That's it. K తర్వాత వచ్చేది k plus 1. So k plus 1th term కూడా మనకు k plus 1 వచ్చింది ఒక ప్రాబ్లం. So after getting k plus 1 term, immediately write down adding k plus 1th term on both side of equation 1. Equation 1 కి both sides లో ఇక్కడ k plus 1th term అంటే k plus 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో ఏమొస్తుంది 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so and so plus k is equal k into k plus 1 by 2. Actually this is the equation 1. So this equation 1 on both sides k plus 1 is added. K plus 1. That's it. So now leave the left side, simplify the right hand side. Okay, is equal by 2 is LCM, k into k plus 1 as it is, k into k plus 1. Here 2 into k plus 1, it becomes 2 into k plus 1. And both here k plus 1 is there, here k plus 1 is there, am I right? So take this k plus 1 is common. So by taking this k plus 1 is common, what are the remaining terms? Here k, here plus 2. K plus 2 is remaining by 2 is equal k plus 1 into k, this plus 2 is written as plus 1 plus 1. Am I right? So why we are writing plus 1 plus 1? Because of, see, in place of n, k plus 1 we got it. In place of n we got k plus 1. And in place of plus 1 we got plus 1. And by 2 place, by 2 is there. So in place of n, what did we get? n place లో ఏమొచ్చింది? k plus 1. అంటే రిమైనింగ్ అంతా as it is వచ్చింది. So that's why therefore p of n is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore by principle of mathematical induction, p of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. We must write this statement finally. For this last statement also 1 mark. If you write up to here, you will be awarded only 6 marks. Okay? So this is 1 mark. Compulsory we have to write. Is it clear? First ఏం చేయాలి? ఇచ్చిన స్టేట్మెంట్ p of n అనుకోవాలి. LHS RHS ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఎప్పుడు n equal to 1 దగ్గర LHS ఎంత, n equal to 1 దగ్గర RHS ఎంత. ఆ తర్వాత assume that p of n is true, n equal to k కి n ప్లేస్ లో k పెట్టి రాయాలి. ఆ తర్వాత k plus 1 టర్మ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ k plus 1 టర్మ్ యాడ్ చేసి రైట్ సైడ్ సింప్లిఫై చేసి చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. n ప్లేస్ లో k plus 1 వచ్చిందా లేదా. n ప్లేస్ లో k plus 1 వస్తే ఓకే కమ్ అవుట్. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, లెట్ us see next question. Taking second question. Choose mathematical induction that the statement 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is true for all n belongs to n. Same type of question. Okay? ఈ చాప్టర్ లో మొత్తం అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒకే రకంగా ఉంటాయి. ఫస్ట్ p of n is take n equal to 1, LHS RHS same, p of n is true for n equal to 1. So in the middle we have to solve. Okay, for each and every problem these steps are same as it is we have to write for each and every problem, but in this middle only we have to write for different. First p of n is what is that? 1 square plus 2 square plus so and so plus n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Next take n equal to 1, left side. What is left hand side? It is first 1 square means 1. Okay, what is RHS at n equal to 1? n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So take n equal to 1 because of we are taking n1. 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1. So by 6, 1 plus 1 2, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3, 3 2 ja 2 2 ja. equal to 1. So LHS, RHS, same answer we got. That's why LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P of n value is true when at n equal to 1. So, completed. Next to step 2. Step 2, what we have to write? Assume that P of n is true for n equal to k. Okay, so now P of n we have to write at n equal to k. That means 1 square means 1 square, next 2 square, next 3 square plus dash plus n square means k square is equal to n means k, n plus 1 means k plus 1, 2n means 2k plus 1 by 6. This is equation 1. After step 2, yes, very good, k plus 1 term we have to find. What is k plus 1 term? See, this first term, second term, third term, this is kth term. Kth term is k square is there. Kth term is k square is there. After k, what is that k plus 1 term? Sorry, after k, what is next term? K tarvata term. K plus 1. So, k tarvata k plus 1. So, now this k plus 1 whole square is k plus 1 term. After getting k plus 1 term, immediately adding this k plus 1 term on both sides of equation 1. Equation 1 ki left side lo, right side lo k plus 1 whole square add cheyali. So add cheyadaniki mundu nenu post as it is rastunnanu. Sorry, k square plus k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6. Actually, this is the first equation 1. So this equation 1 on both sides, left side and right side, the k plus 1 term, that is k plus 1 whole square is added. K plus 1 whole square is added. Now keep left side as it is, simplify right side. By 6 LCM k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 plus 6 into k plus 1 square. 6 into k plus 1. In both k plus 1 is common. Am I right? So immediately k plus 1 whole square take common, then remaining k is remaining, here 2k plus 1 is remaining, plus here 6 is remaining. In this k plus 1 whole square, sorry, only k plus 1 is common. Yeah, here k plus 1 is there only. So take 1 k plus 1 is common, remaining one more k plus 1 is there. So that write as it is by 6. So by simplifying it, we can get the answer. This is not sufficient. I am just removing this. Finally, I will write again. Okay. Is equal to k plus 1 into by 6 k into 2k, 2k square, k into 1 k plus 6 into k, 6k plus 6 into 1 6. Okay, by 6. So it becomes by 6 k plus 1 into 2k square plus k plus 6k, how much? 7k plus 6. Yeah. Is equal by 6 k plus 1. And now we have to simplify this. What is that? 2k square plus 7k plus 6. I need some rough. So here I am doing. Another place is not sufficient. So we have to factorize this 2k square plus 7k plus 6. How can we factorize? See, in the middle 7 is there, that is taken as 7, and 2 into 6 is 12, that is taken as product to 12. Now tell me two numbers. If you add those two numbers, sum is 7. If you multiply those two numbers, the product will be 12. Sum cheste 7 రావాలి, product చేస్తే 12 రావాలి. ఆ రెండు నెంబర్లు ఏంటి? యాడ్ చేస్తే 7 రావాలి, ఇంటూ చేస్తే 12 రావాలి. సో ఆ రెండు నెంబర్లు ఏంటి? 3 and 4. Once check it, 3 plus 4 7, 3 4 get 12. So those two 3 and 4 are taken. So first as it is we write down 2k square, last one as it is plus k. In the instead of middle 7k, we have to use 3 and 4. That means 3k plus 4k. So from first to what is common? Only k is common. Then becomes 2k plus 3 is remaining. In both next to last two, 4 comes in 2 tables, 6 also comes in 2 tables. That's why 2 is common. Then 2 table 2k jar. In 2 table 2 3 jar. Again 2k plus 3 is common. So 2k plus 3 if you take out common, remaining k plus 3 is there. So 2k square plus 7k plus 3 means Plus 6 means k plus 2 into 2k plus 3. K plus 2 into 2k plus 3. So by calculation we got it. So now k plus 1. K plus 2 means k plus 1 plus 1. Here 2k plus 2 into k plus 1 means plus. Once check it, am I right? 2 into k, 2k, 2 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. 2k plus 3. So now, whether it is right or wrong. So how can we check? N place, k plus 1 is there. In place of n, k plus 1 is there. Plus 1 place, plus 1 is there. Okay? We have to check in place of n, k plus 1 is there or not. Yes, k plus 1 is there. So that means P of n is true. P of n is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore, by principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true. P of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. Finally, we have to write the statement 100%. So this is the solution of it. Is it clear? Yeah. Third question. Same. Use mathematical induction that the statement 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube so and so plus n cube equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 is true for all n belongs to capital N. So first P of n is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus so and so plus n cube equal n square into n plus 1 square by 4. Ichina question as desired. Next in step 1 take n equal to 1. This what is left hand side? First term 1 cube. What is right hand side? Actually right hand side is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Means n plus n value 1 we are taking. So 1 square into 1 plus 1 whole square by 4. So 1 square means 1 only. 1 plus 1 value 2. 2 square means 2 into 2. How much? 4. By 4 4 cancel. We are getting 1. Left hand side 1 cube means 1. Right hand side 1. So same we are getting. Okay. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore P of n value is true when at for n equal to 1. Next step 2. What is step 2? What we have to write? Assume that P of n is true for n equal to k. So that means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus so and so plus k cube is equal k square into k plus 1 whole square by 4. This is step 2. Next immediately in step 3 k plus 1 term we have to take. This is a kth term. After this k plus 1. Here whole cube is there. So whole cube right now. That is k plus 1 term. After getting k plus 1 term immediately adding k plus 1 term on both sides of equation 1. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so and so plus k cube is equal k square into k plus 1 whole square by 4. Actually this is the equation 1. For this equation 1 on both sides adding k plus 1 whole cube. So k plus 1 whole cube. K plus 1 whole cube. So now leave the left side and simplify the right hand side. Is equal by 4 is there. Here k square into k plus 1 whole square is there plus 4 into k plus 1 whole cube. So simplify in both k plus 1 whole square and here k plus 1 whole cube. In both k plus 1 whole square will be common. Remaining k square plus 4 into 1 k plus 1 is there out of k plus 1 whole cube. Now k plus 1 whole square, k square, 4 into k, 4k, 4 into 1, 4 by 4 is equal k plus 1 whole square into, this is k plus 2 whole square. Am I right? Once check it, k plus 2 whole square, k square plus 4k plus 2. Yeah, same. Otherwise, do the factorization. What I have done in the second question. Like that. So now, k plus 1 whole square, k plus 2 means plus 1 whole square by 4. So now check it. In place of n, k plus 1 is there. n place lo k plus 1 వచ్చింది. Square place lo square. n place lo k plus 1 and plus 1 place lo plus 1. Whole square place lo whole square. By 4 means by 4. Same as it is before. Therefore, P of n is true for n equal to k plus 1. So therefore, by principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for all n belongs to capital. So this is the Solution of third question. In this way, we have 4, 5, 6, some 15 questions are there. In that, finally, I will tell you what are the most important questions also. Okay. So next, some questions are there. We will learn in the next video. Okay, friends. If you are really like our videos, hit the like button and give the comment whatever you feel. And please subscribe our channel if you are newly watching and if you do not subscribe till now. And also share with your friends. I hope you enjoy our classes. Totally in our classes we learn what are the 7 marks questions, what are the 4 marks questions, what are the 2 marks questions individually, separately. So we don't have any confusion if you learn in this way. So other than textbook, this is a good method. You check the previous question papers, you take the previous question papers and you check it. Each and every question is in from the previous questions. What we are learning, every one is in the, okay. So in board exam also, by learning our classes, easily we can get 75 marks. I am sure. So get confidence on me and learn our videos. You may note down our classes and prepare well. Thank you. Okay, fourth question. 2 into 3, not point. This is into 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus so and so up to n terms is equal to n into n square plus 6n plus 11 by 3 for all n belongs to capital. Is true for all n belongs to capital N. Okay. So here, first steps as it is. First, what is the first step? Given question as it is given, let P of n is so and so. So what do you observe here? In the previous 3 questions, some nth term is there, but here nth term is not available. So before step 1, n equal to 1, we have to find what is this last nth term. That we have to find. That is compulsory. So how to find? Here first term is 2. Here first term is 3. Here first term is this is 4 into 5. Here first term is 4. So in every term. First terms are 2, here first term 3, here first term 4 and dash dash. What is the nth term? That we want. Next, what are the second terms? Here second term is 3, here second term is 4, here second term is 5 and so on. So what is the nth term of this second terms? So here the first term is 2. What is difference between these two? 1. Next difference between 3 and 4 also 1. So similarly we can guess what is the next number? 5. What is the next number? 6. But what is the last n number? Can you guess? Okay, no problem. Difference is what? 1. 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 2 1, 5 minus 4 also 1. When difference is same, that means that is an arithmetic progression. In the arithmetic progression, the nth term is n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Am I right? So a means 2 plus n minus 1 is d is 1. So 2 plus n into 1 n minus 1. So n 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So what is the nth term of the first terms? N plus 1. Similarly, by taking second terms, what is first term? 3. What is difference between any two? Consecutive. First 2 1, second 2 also 1. So next, that means it is an arithmetic progression. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a? Here 3. N minus 1. What is d? 1. 3 plus n into 1 n minus 1. N write down first and 3 minus 1 becomes plus 2. So here nth term is n plus 2. So we got nth term is n plus 1 into n plus 2. So that I am fulfilling the given statement again I am writing. So therefore P of n is 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 dash dash plus up to n terms. In place of n terms, we got n term is n plus 1 into n plus 2. And next is equal n into n square plus 6n plus 11 by 3. Okay. So now we got the statement. In the previous questions, nth term is given, but here nth term is not given. So first we should find nth term. How to find nth term? What are the first terms? Write down. What are the second terms? Write down. Okay, so these are in arithmetic progression. So based on arithmetic progression, nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So find out nth term. Similarly for second. So just we found the statement only till now. Up to here, 1 mark will be awarded. Now step 1. What is step 1? Very good. N equal to 1. Take n equal to 1. What is left hand side? 2 into 3 is there. 2 into 3 how much? 6. Okay, what is right hand side? N into n square plus 6n plus 11 by 3. So write down 1 in place of n. 1 square, 6 into 1 6, 11 by 3. By 3. 1 square is 1, 6 into 1 6 plus 11. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 11 18 by 3. 18 by 3 means 6. What is left hand side? 6. What is right hand side? 6. Both same or not? Okay. So I am removing this step 3. Place is not sufficient. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore P of n is true for n equal to 1. Okay. Next what? Step 2. Very good. What is step 2? Assume that P of n is true for n equal to k. So then what will be the statement for n equal to k? 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus so and so plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. Am I right? K plus 1 into k plus 2 is equal to k into k square plus 6k plus 11 by 3. Equation 1. Okay. By replacing n by k, n place lo k rastu manaki k lo equation is. After that step 3. So last step. In this step 3, first we have to find k plus 1th term. So k plus 1th term, how can we find? Very simple. Actually this is the kth term. So this is the kth term. Here k. After k what? K plus 1. And plus 1 place plus 1. After k what? K plus 1. And in place of plus 2 right. Is it clear? This is kth term. K undante adi kth term. దీంట్లో దీని తర్వాతది రావాలంటే k తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది k plus 1 అంటే k ప్లేస్ లో k plus 1 రాయాలి అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ ప్లస్ 1 ప్లేస్ లో ప్లస్ 1 యాజ్ ఇట్ ఇస్. ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ k ప్లేస్ లో k plus 1 అండ్ ప్లస్ 2 ప్లేస్ లో ప్లస్ 2 అంతే. ఇప్పుడు సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి కావాల్సిన k plus 1 టర్మ్ వస్తుంది. ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 2 k ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ 3 అండ్ దిస్ బికమ్స్ k plus 2. అంటే దీని తర్వాత వచ్చే టర్మ్ ఏంటంటే ఇది. Is it clear? To find k plus 1th term, we just replace k plus 1 by k. K place lo k plus 1. So now after getting k plus 1 term, immediately adding k plus 1th term on both sides of equation 1. Okay, after this I will give you one question, the same type of question for your homework. Okay, you try it. So we have to add this k plus 1 term to equation 1. What is equation 1? 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus so and so plus k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus something and k into k square plus 6k plus 11 by 3 plus. So this is the equation 1 as it is written here. For this equation left hand side and right hand side, what we have to add? K plus 1 term, that is k plus 2 into k plus 3. Here also k plus 2 into k plus 3. So keep the left side as it is, right hand side simplified. So 3 is there, 3 will be the LCM. The left side k into k square plus 6k plus 11 plus 3 into something, no? 3 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. We have to simplify this. So nothing is common in the left side and right side, am I right? Yeah. So nothing is common. So what we have to do? Simplify, multiply each and every term. K into k square, k cube. If anything is common, take common. Otherwise, simplify. K into 6k, 6k square. K into 11, 11k. Plus 3 into k, 3k. Plus 3 into 2. Sorry. Here, by simplifying this, k plus 2 into k plus 3, we get k plus 20 cubes. Doing rough work. K square plus 5k plus 6 we are getting. I'm doing directly. Into 3 is there now. So we get 3k square, 15k, 18. Yeah. So by simplifying these three terms, we are getting 3k square plus 15k plus 18 we are getting by 3. Okay. So which is equal k cube and k square terms. Here 6 k square terms are there. Here 3 k square terms are there. Total 9 k square terms. And k terms here 11 k terms are there. Here 15 k terms are there. Totally 26 k terms are we are getting. And plus 18 by 3. Okay. By simplifying this, okay, we should get this one, and that also in place of n we should get k plus 1. That means directly by seeing this we can write the answer. Otherwise we can simplify this factorization method. This is cubic equation. Okay, first to take minus 1 is common or not. So in this k plus 1 will be common. K plus 1 dividing with k plus 1, you will get, after dividing with k plus 1 you will get some quadratic in terms of k. And what we have done in the previous question, do that like that. Okay, okay, I will tell you. Did you write this? Okay friends, just pause it and make down notes. I am removing this because of what next means I will explain from here. Okay, I will tell you how to simplify that. With minus 1 I am taking. This is called something is there. Here k cube coefficient 1. Here k square coefficient 9. Here k coefficient 26. Here constant 18. Okay. First take 0. First write down 0. Now adding 1 plus 0 1. And here multiplying 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Here adding 9 to minus 1 becomes 8. Here multiplying 8 into minus 1 minus 8. 26 minus 8 is 18. 18 into minus 1 minus 8. 18 minus 8 is 0. See, first to taking minus 1. Why I am taking minus 1? Because of 100% here, minus 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. If you substitute minus 1 in this, we get answer 0. That's why for this polynomial, minus 1 is a 0. So that's why I am taking minus 1. Okay. First here these are the factors of given cubic polynomial. K cube coefficient 1, k square coefficient 9, k coefficient 26, constant of 18. Okay. Not all questions like lengthy like this. Okay. Only here some concept is there. This is actually basic concept already you have to know. But if you don't know, listen. 18. Okay. First to take what we have to take? 0. Is it clear? First, these are the coefficients of given polynomial. First, I am taking with minus 1. Why I am taking minus 1 here means, if you substitute k plus minus 1, you will get 0. So, minus 1 is taken. Minus 1. First, 0 write down. The same concept again you will learn in the second year maths today also. Again, okay? No problem. First, write down 0. Now, adding 1 plus 0, 1. But here multiplying 1 into minus 1, minus 1. And here adding 9 minus 1 8, here multiplying 8 into minus 1 minus 8, here adding, and here 11. Finally answer should be 0. So this is constant term, this is k term, this is k square coefficient, and this is k equal to minus 1 means minus something that side k plus 1. So this is, it becomes k plus 1 into, so this is completely rough work, okay, not a fail. You do in the separately. Next continuation of this step. So what we are getting? K plus 1 into k square plus 8k plus 18 by 3. Okay. In place of n we got it k plus 1. Next what? We have to get n square. Means k plus 1 whole square we have to get. So is equal k plus 1 into. So we have to think logically. We should get k n square, means k plus 1 whole square we have to get, means k square plus 2k plus 1 is required, and plus 6 into n plus 1 is required, means 6 into k plus 1 is required, and plus 11 is required, means 6k plus 6 is required. You check it once, it is right or wrong. K square, K square. 2k plus 6k, 8k. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 11, 18. Okay? This quadratic is picked as like this. Why I am picked like this? Very simple. To get these terms. ఎలా స్ప్లిట్ చేశానంటే మనకి ఏదైతే రావాలో దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని దీన్ని ఆ విధంగా మార్చేసిన అంతే. ఇప్పుడు ఇది becomes k plus 1 whole square plus 6 into k plus 1 by taking 6 common in these two, and last 11 is constant 6. Okay, now got it. We check it. In place of n, k plus 1 is there. In place of n square, k plus 1 square is there. In place of 6n, 6 into k plus 1 is there. In place of 11, 11 is there. By 6, by 3 is there. Yeah, by 3. In place of 3, by 3 is there. That's it. Therefore, P of n is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore, by principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for n equal to for all n of n. You must write this statement finally. Okay, this is the answer. See, in this problem, nth term is not given. So first we found nth term. After finding nth term, write the statement. Step 1, step 2, step 3. In this step 3, you may get difficult from here onwards. So very simple, don't feel difficult. If you do not get this process, up to here you okay I think. ఇక్కడ వరకు మీకు ఓకే. దీని తర్వాత స్టెప్ ఎలా రాయాలి అంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా ఈ స్టెప్ రాసేయండి. ఎట్లా రాస్తారు? n ప్లేస్ లో k plus 1 రావాలి, k plus 1 రాసుకోండి. n square ప్లేస్ లో k plus 1 square. So write directly, no problem. You will be awarded marks. And then P of n is true for n equal to k plus 1 by principle of Nagaraju science. This is the solution. Is it clear? Yeah. If you have any doubt, listen again, because after 2-3 times I clearly explained in both languages, Telugu and English. Telugu medium also don't get any problem. Okay. Next, 5th question. నేను మీకు హోంవర్క్ ఇస్తాను, మీరు చేయండి. ఇంకా ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే నేను నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కూడా అది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ కావాలి అంటే మీకు కింద కామెంట్ పెడితే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను ఫాస్ట్గా. ఎందుకంటే నెక్స్ట్ రేపే నేను ఇంకో వీడియో మేక్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, 5th క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, సో నోట్స్ రాసుకోండి, మీకు చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. నోట్స్ రాసుకుంటే చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. 6th question ఏంటంటే, use same 1 into 2 into 3. Use mathematical statement 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus so and so up to n terms. Up to n terms is equal. What is the question? Okay. n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4 is true for all n belongs to capital. Okay, this is the 5th question. Same process, you do it very easily. You can get, and even common terms also we are get very simply. So don't bother about. First nth terms find out. You will get the nth terms, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. I'm sure. So these are will be the nth terms. Three terms are there. First term we will get nth term n. For second times nth term is n plus 1 will get. Here I am giving answer. Okay. After that, step 1 write down what is LHS, what is RHS. LHS becomes 1 2 3 6. So LHS simplify, you will get also 6, and write down step 2 as well. And step 3 k plus 1 term write down and add that one and simplify, you will get the answer. I hope you understand these problems and you can do this problem. So thank you for watching our classes. Thank you. Bye bye. See the next video. In the next video, so sorry, this is important question. This is important question, and in next video, so very important questions are there. So definitely you will enjoy in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.